Myself, Dr. Sanjay Kumar. I have been practicing and working in the field of yoga and yoga research last 20 years. I also give training for yoga, therapists, instructors, and mentor, as well as guide for PhD. Today, I'm trying to condense all my experience of 20 years in 30 minutes of practice. The topic is yoga for irritable bowel syndrome. The irritable bowel syndrome is a group symptoms of functional intestinal disorders in which patients suffer. They experience abdominal pain, discomfort, and bloating. Also, it has shown that in chronic cases, it is associated with anxiety, depression, headache, and fatigue. So, let us try to understand today's practice. All these practices are already scientifically proven and also already published in the journal named Evidence-Based Alternative and Complementary Medicine at 2015. These practices includes some breathing techniques, that standing, sitting, prone, and supine, then some little loosening practices, then asanas, that also in 4 types: standing, sitting, prone, and supine, followed by pranayama, then followed by deep relaxation, and we'll conclude the session. So let us try to practice, get ready for the practice of yoga for irritable bowel syndrome. We'll start with one Omkaras, salutation to the Supreme Power. Om. Gently open your eyes. Thank you. The first practice is hand stretch breathing. Here, legs should be together. Interlock your fingers. Keep on your chest. Shoulders should be relaxed. As you inhale, you have to stretch your hands up to 90 degrees. Then with exhalation, come back and shoulders should be relaxed. As you know, our lungs are divided in 3 lobes. Right side, there are 3 lobes, left side 2 lobes. To utilize the total lungs, to activate the full lungs, to correct our breathing pattern, these practices are very helpful and very effective. So at 90 degree, this is for lower lobes of the lungs. And this movement should be according to your breathing. Suppose my breathing is slow, the movements also should be slow. Then 135 degree, this is for middle lobes of the lungs. As you inhale, stretch above your forehead. Exhale, come back, and shoulders should be relaxed. You should not hold. As your inhalation completed, come back with exhalation and shoulders should be relaxed. Then for upper lobes of the lungs, 180 degree. Inhale, stretch as much you can. As you completed your inhalation, come back with exhale. And again same, shoulders should be relaxed. So 3 stages at 90, 135 and 180. Let us practice. Interlock your finger. Keep on your chest. Shoulders should be relaxed. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, come back. We'll do 3 times. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, come back. Shoulders should be relaxed. Inhale, exhale. Be sure that the movement should be according to your breathing. Now 135 degree. Inhale up to above the forehead. Exhale, come back. After learning properly, you can close your eyes to internalize ourselves. You can practice with closing eyes. Exhale and come back. Inhale, third round. Exhale, come back. Now 180 degree. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, come back. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, come back. And with a smiling face, inhale, stretch out, exhale, come back. Now gently stop this practice. Release your hands, legs little apart. Shoulders should be relaxed. Close your eyes, take a deep inhale, exhale and be relaxed. Now get ready for next practice. In and out breathing. Legs together, stretch out your both hands in front of the chest. As you inhale, stretch, expand the chest. Exhale, come back, completely exhale. Here, the subtle points, our hands should not be down, should not be up, parallel to the shoulder. This movement should be according to your breathing. Suppose my breathing is fast, movement also should be fast. If breathing is slow, movement also should be slow. Let us start. In and out breathing. We'll do 3 times. Inhale. As you inhale and stretch. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, come back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, come back. Third round. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, come back. Relax. Hands down, legs apart. Again, relax. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale. Exhale and be relaxed.
To watch full video and more deep practice of yoga, download Yogpath app now.